Navigan commissioning software is a helpful tool to link wireless devices and to set parameters in the controller. Let's get started. The first step is installing your controller. This is an LEDR. Your controller might look different. For detailed installation instructions for your controller, see the installation guide, which is delivered with the device and the LEDR package. Next, switches and sensors. You will want to have your switches and sensors ready, as it is typically easier to link them before installing. Installers can link up to 20 switches, up to 10 occupancy sensors, and only one light level sensor per controller. Navigan setup. Download Navigan software. Please download before heading to a job site, as you might not have internet access. Install software. Requirements: Windows 7 or Windows 8 operating system. Insert USB stick and wait for the drivers to be automatically installed. Launch Navigan software. When successful, you will see Connected. Define project name, for example, the name of the building. Then select Walkthrough mode for your first time using Navigan. This will guide you through each phase of the process with helpful tips. The left window shows controllers, and the right window shows parameters of the controllers. When defining new projects, both windows are empty, unless you open an existing configuration file. The next step is to discover controllers. Navigan will send a signal out to all controllers within range, asking them to report back to Navigan. If you have a large number of controllers, adjust the near far slider to limit the acquisition range. To locate the controller, click the Locate button. The light will flash. Finally, give the controller a name and reload into the workspace. Click the Update button in the left window and the tools will download the current configuration from the controller into Navigan. Next, go to the right window and discover sensors and switches to be linked. To learn on a switch, press the rocker. You can link wall switches, occupancy sensors, and light level sensors to a predefined controller. You can see how many devices are linked at the bottom. Linking means that a controller reacts to the inputs from these devices. Configuration of the devices. Configuration is the process of setting the parameters of a controller. Click on the tab Configuration. The most common parameters are presented. Hover over the box for explanation. Values to be written are marked in yellow. The values are only sent when you click the Upload button. Click the button, go to Advanced for many more parameters. For details on the advanced parameters, refer to the installation guide. To learn and light level sensors and occupancy sensors, press the Learn button. For further details, refer to the installation guide. You can also copy-paste parameters by right-clicking on the controller. Save the project. This will save all of the links and parameters for each controller into a file that you can access later. Security. You can assign the controllers a security code to prevent others from accessing your controllers. Click on the tab Security and enter your security code. Then press the button Set Security Code. Remember to save the code in a safe location.